Hello there. Welcome to introduce my experience of using AutoCAD 2D. In previous video I have talked how I have introduced my work for architecture. Now I will introduce some mechanical works done here. So mechanical files, more than 52 files, okay, and donated as M1, M2, M3. But open M1. So M1 showing in detailed in basement, the air conditioning, and this one for hospital, as I say before. So all these lines was designed for some hospital purpose, pumps like this one, and for this one air conditioning ducts, and this one for chimney. Okay, is clear. Everything is explained here. I just worked for drafting this plan, which was designed by other designer. So everything was clarified by numbering here. All this number will be mentioned in other sheet for notes. Let's open this one for plan 1, this one for the razor or flow chart diagrams, this flow diagrams showing how the pipes connect, how this works. Let's open another sheet. Yeah, this one just sketchy. This one for heating, this one for air conditioning units, this one for refrigerator or refrigerating system, and this one systems. All these are just detailed. This one is general notes, I believe. Yeah, that's right. This one is scheduled for equipment, air conditioning, all here. I think the work will start. Yeah, this one for fire, this one for fire system, I believe. Yes, this one for fire system, firefighting or fire system fighting. See, this one for 3D like razor. So yeah, and from this sheet you can see this one architecture plan, but this one showing the mechanical system, this one for air conditioning, and these lines for heating system, how this works. All this detailed is done by AutoCAD 2D easily. So all this sheet showing the mechanical works as well as sanitary. You can say some plumbing and sanitary. I think this one for plumbing. Yeah, this one for plumbing, sanitary. This one. Yeah, design. All these sheets explaining and detailed. This was good for my experience. Even this one is long time ago, but I know there's new softwares has been developed for this one. I worked for AutoCAD MEP 2011 probably. Yeah, and all this stuff can be done easier than this one. As I mentioned before, this one was done by old version of AutoCAD. Now I'm good at AutoCAD MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. If you have any question, anything, don't hesitate, just send me an email or call. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.